Hello, everyone. I'd like to take a moment to discuss a critical aspect of our digital ecosystem, mobile analytics. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, mobile analytics has emerged as a cornerstone for businesses striving to stay competitive and relevant. With the proliferation of smartphones and tablets, mobile devices have become integral to our daily lives, influencing how we communicate, shop, work, and entertain ourselves. Without any further delays, let's start the lecture. To start, let's define what we mean by mobile analytics. Essentially, mobile analytics is the process of collecting, measuring, and analyzing data generated by mobile platforms, such as apps and mobile websites. This data provides valuable insights into how users interact with these platforms, enabling businesses to make informed decisions. Now, why is this critical for businesses? Well, the use of mobile device has skyrocketed. People are using their smartphones and tablets for almost everything, from shopping to social networking to managing their finances. For businesses, understanding how users engage with their mobile platforms can make the difference between success and failure. One of the primary benefits of mobile analytics is its ability to improve the user experience. By analyzing user behavior, businesses can identify pain points and areas of friction within their apps or mobile sites. This information allows them to make necessary adjustments to enhance the overall user experience. For instance, if analytics show that users are abandoning their shopping carts at a particular step, businesses can investigate and optimize that part of the process to reduce drop-offs. Additionally, mobile analytics is pivotal in increasing user engagement. By understanding what features or content users are interacting with the most, businesses can tailor their offerings to better meet user preferences. This personalized approach not only keeps users engaged, but also fosters loyalty and encourages repeat visits. Another significant advantage is driving revenue growth. With detailed insights into user behavior and preferences, businesses can craft more effective marketing campaigns, target the right audience segments, and offer promotions that resonate with users. This targeted strategy often leads to higher conversion rates and ultimately increased revenue. Let's delve into the scope of mobile analytics. It encompasses several key aspects. First, user acquisition. Mobile analytics provides data on how users are discovering and downloading your app. Are they coming from social media ads, organic searches, or referral programs? Understanding these pathways helps businesses optimize their acquisition strategies and allocate resources more effectively. Next, behavior analysis. This aspect involves tracking how users interact with your app or mobile site. What features are they using the most? How long are their sessions? Where do they drop off? This granular data helps businesses fine-tune their platforms to better serve their users. Finally, performance tracking. Mobile analytics allows businesses to monitor the technical performance of their apps, such as load times, crash reports, and error logs. This information is critical for maintaining a seamless and reliable user experience, as technical issues can lead to frustration and abandonment. Mobile analytics is an indispensable tool for businesses in today's digital landscape. It not only helps improve user experience and engagement, but also drives revenue growth by providing deep insights into user behavior and platform performance. By leveraging mobile analytics, businesses can stay competitive, meet their customers' needs more effectively, and achieve their strategic goals. Now that we have a solid understanding of what mobile analytics entails and why it's crucial, let's dive into some key metrics that businesses should track to make the most of their mobile analytics efforts. Let's start by first discussing user acquisition metrics. Installs. This is one of the most fundamental metrics. It tells us how many times your app has been downloaded and installed on users' devices. While this metric provides a basic measure of your app's reach, it's also important to dig deeper into the quality of these installs. Are the users who install your app engaging with it over time, or are they uninstalling shortly after? Cost per install or CPI. This metric measures the cost associated with acquiring a new user who installs your app. It's calculated by dividing the total cost of your advertising campaigns by the number of installs generated. And keeping an eye on your CPI helps ensure that your marketing efforts are cost effective and that you're not overspending to acquire new users. User demographics. Understanding who your users are is crucial for tailoring your app to meet their needs. Demographic data can include age, gender, location, language, and even interests. This information helps businesses segment their audience and create more personalized marketing strategies. For instance, if you notice a significant number of users from a particular age group, you can create targeted campaigns or features that cater specifically to their preferences. Next, let's discuss engagement metrics. Daily active users, or DAU, and monthly active users, or MAU. These metrics show how many unique users interact with your app on a daily and monthly basis. Tracking DAU and MAU helps you understand your app's active user base and gauge overall engagement. Session length. This metric measures the amount of time users spend in your app during a single session. Longer session lengths typically indicate higher engagement and satisfaction, suggesting that users find value in your app. Screen flow. This involves analyzing the path users take through your app, from the moment they open it to the point they exit. Understanding screen flow helps identify popular features and potential dropout points, allowing you to optimize the user journey. Retention rates. This metric indicates the percentage of users who return to your app after their first visit. High retention rates are a strong indicator of user satisfaction and long-term engagement. Now, let's discuss monetization metrics. In-app purchases. This metric tracks revenue generated from users making purchases within your app. Understanding which in-app items or features are most popular can help you optimize your monetization strategy. Average revenue per user. This measures the average revenue generated per user. It's calculated by dividing total revenue by the number of active users. This metric helps assess the financial performance of your app. Lifetime value, or LTV. LTV estimates the total revenue a user is expected to generate over the entire duration of their relationship with your app. Understanding LTV helps you make informed decisions about customer acquisition costs and long-term profitability. And finally, let's end our discussion by discussing performance metrics. Load times. This metric measures how quickly your app loads for users. Fast load times are critical for maintaining user satisfaction and preventing abandonment. Crash reports. Monitoring crash reports helps identify and fix issues that cause your app to crash. Reducing crashes is essential for providing a reliable and smooth user experience. Network errors. Tracking network errors helps you understand and address connectivity issues that might disrupt the user experience. Ensuring a stable connection is vital for keeping users engaged. By tracking these key metrics, businesses can gain a comprehensive understanding of their app's performance and user interactions. This data-driven approach allows for continuous optimization, ensuring that your app not only attracts users, but also keeps them engaged and generates revenue effectively. Now that we've covered the key metrics to track, let's move on to the tools and technologies that make mobile analytics possible. First, let's look at some of the most popular mobile analytics platforms. Google Analytics for Firebase. This tool is part of the Firebase platform and offers robust analytics capabilities tailored for mobile apps. It provides real-time insights into user behavior, engagement, and in-app purchases, making it a comprehensive choice for developers. Flurry, owned by Yahoo, Flurry provides in-depth analytics for mobile apps. It's known for its ease of use and powerful data reporting features. Flurry helps businesses understand user engagement, track events, and analyze user demographics. Mixpanel. Mixpanel is a popular choice for tracking user interaction and events. It's highly flexible and allows for detailed analysis of user behavior, including funnel analysis and cohort tracking. This tool is particularly useful for apps focused on user engagement and retention. Amplitude. Amplitude offers advanced analytics with a strong focus on user behavior and product analytics. It provides detailed insights into user journeys, retention, and segmentation, helping businesses make data-driven decisions to improve their apps. Next, let's briefly touch on how to integrate these tools into mobile applications. Integration typically involves incorporating a software development kit, also known as SDK, or using APIs provided by the analytics platforms. Here's a general overview of the process. Step 1. Choose your tool. Decide which analytics platform best suits your needs based on the metrics you want to track and the features offered by the tool. Step 2. Set up an account. Create an account with a chosen analytics platform and set up your project or app within their dashboard. Step 3. Integrate the SDK. Download the SDK for your chosen platform and integrate it into your mobile app's codebase. This often involves adding the SDK files to your project and initializing the SDK with your app's unique identifier. Step 4. Configure tracking. Define the events and user properties you want to track. These could include user signups, in-app purchases, or specific user actions. Implement the necessary code to log these events within your app. Step 5. Test and validate. Before deploying your app, thoroughly test the integration to ensure that data is being collected accurately. Use the analytics platform's debugging tool to verify that events are logged correctly. Now, let's move on and discuss data collection methods. SDKs, or software development kits. SDKs are pre-built libraries provided by analytics platforms that make it easy to collect data from your app. They handle much of the heavy lifting, such as event tracking and user session management, allowing you to focus on defining the events and properties you want to track. APIs, or application programming. Interfaces. APIs provide a more flexible approach to data collection, allowing you to send custom data to the analytics platform from your app. This method is often used in conjunction with SDKs for more advanced use cases, or when integrating with other systems. Ensuring data accuracy and privacy is crucial in mobile analytics. So let's briefly discuss data accuracy and privacy. Data accuracy. To ensure accurate data collection, it's important to regularly test and validate your analytics implementation. Use the debugging and testing tools provided by your analytics platform to check that events are being logged correctly and that data is consistent. Data privacy. With increasing concerns about user privacy, it's essential to comply with data protection regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Ensure that your analytics implementation respects user privacy by 1. Providing clear privacy policies and obtaining user consent where required. 2. Anonymizing or pseudonymizing user data to protect personal information. 3. Implementing security measures to safeguard data against unauthorized access. Leveraging the right tools and technologies is key to effective mobile analytics. By integrating robust analytics platforms, ensuring accurate data collection, and prioritizing data privacy, businesses can gain valuable insight to enhance their mobile apps and drive success. Now that we've explored the tools and technologies behind mobile analytics, let's discuss some best practices to ensure you're getting the most out of your analytics efforts. Setting goals. The first step in any analytics strategy is to set clear, measurable goals. These goals should align with your overall business objectives and provide a framework for evaluating success. For example, you might set goals around increasing user retention, boosting in-app purchases, or improving user engagement. Clear goals help you focus your analytics efforts and make it easier to measure progress and outcomes. Segmentation. Segmentation involves dividing your user base into distinct groups based on specific criteria such as demographics, behavior, or user lifecycle stage. By segmenting users, you can gain more targeted insights and tailor your strategies to meet the needs of different user groups. For instance, you might create segments for new users, frequent purchasers, or users who have not engaged with your app recently. This allows you to personalize marketing efforts and improve user experience for each group. A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful technique for optimizing user experience and feature performance. By creating two versions of a feature or design element and testing them with different user groups, you can determine which version performs better. A/B testing helps you make data-driven decisions and iteratively improve your app based on real user feedback. Whether you're testing a new onboarding flow, a different color scheme, or a new feature, A/B testing provides valuable insights into what resonates with your users. Continuous improvement. Mobile analytics is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. It's crucial to continuously monitor and update your analytics strategies to keep up with changing user behaviors and market trends. Regularly reviewing your analytics data helps you identify new opportunities for optimization and stay ahead of potential issues. Implementing a culture of continuous improvement ensures that your app remains relevant and user-centric. Data privacy and security. Finally, ensuring user data privacy and compliance with regulation is paramount. With the growing emphasis on data protection, it's essential to implement best practices for data privacy and security. Setting clear goals, segmenting users, conducting A/B testing, continuously improving your strategies, and ensuring data privacy and security are all critical components of a successful mobile analytics strategy. These best practices help you leverage the full potential of mobile analytics to drive better business outcomes and deliver superior user experiences.